In this video, I will show you how to deposit money on Kraken Pro. To do this, first just going to open up the Kraken Pro app or website and go to your portfolio. From within your portfolio, there will be a button that says deposit, so click that, and here just select what you want to deposit. It can be a cryptocurrency or a cash currency. For example, I'll deposit euro. Now the process is a bit different depending on whether you want to do a cash currency or crypto. If you do crypto, you will get a wallet address where you can send money to from another wallet. If you want to do a cash currency, you can then select, for example, a bank transfer, or I'll do ideal, and from there you can then go and make the payment. So for example, I'll do 10 euros. And from there, it's now saying deposit initiated, 10 euros. I expect funds to arrive shortly. So now if you go back to your portfolio, you can now find it in your portfolio, although it can take a couple of minutes. But that's basically how to deposit money onto Kraken Pro. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.